welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Alba. And today we are going to be doing another type of YouTube video, and I cannot wait to bring you guys along. We're gonna get ready with me to go to the pool. As you guys can tell, I already have like my hair done. I kind of like put like light makeup on, and now we're gonna choose which bathing suit we're gonna wear for the pool today. You guys, it's crazy. I have so many bathing suits, so many styles that I need help because I feel like we do want to have like that perfect bathing suit on for the day, and also we do want to get a good tan. So you guys, this is going to be super interesting. Make sure you guys tune in, turn on your post notifications on, that way it notifies you when I post. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and let me know which one was the best swimsuit for the day, because you guys, this is gonna be very interesting. I feel like I have so many styles, so many colors, so many patterns to choose from that we're in a dilemma. So let's get started, you guys. As you guys can see here, we do have all of these. Okay, I was just doing the little pictures. But as you guys can tell, I do have so many bathing suits, and I feel like these are like almost half of my bathing suits. I do have more, but I do need to get more hangers. I use them like this because I feel like they're more organized. If you just throw them inside a drawer, it's really hard to actually like find the missing pieces and all of that good stuff. So I feel like this, I just have them hung up in my closet, and it makes it a lot easier for me to actually like choose my bathing suits and find the proper top and bottom that goes with the bathing suit. So you guys, I feel like I have so many colors, so many styles. I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram. I did have like a little photo session with this one the other day. It's a mocha brown. I love this one. Honestly, you guys, this one I got at Forever 21. And at first I was kind of like, it's not that cute. But you guys, it is really, really pretty. Like, it fits really, really nice. So if you guys want to go ahead and check out to see how it looks like, you guys can definitely check it out on my Instagram, albaevax3. And you guys, I feel like I don't know what the color should be like today, but we are going to be trying on some styles. I feel like these are kind of like calling my name. I also did wear this one already as well. And you guys, I put this one in the washer, and this one, okay, let me set everything aside because if not, okay. But this lovely blue one right here, I already wore it. I accidentally threw it in the washer. I feel like it does need to be washed by hand because obviously it does have these cute little attachments to it. And once I got it out of the washer, I was like, oh my goodness, I didn't even realize that I threw this in there, but it's intact. Everything is perfect. But I feel like for the second wash, I'm definitely gonna be mindful and hand wash it because I don't want it to get ruined. It is so, so pretty, and unfortunately, this is the only color that they have in this style, which I was a little sad about that. But you guys, let's go ahead and get to trying on these bathing suits. I will be right back. Which one should we try first of all? Because I'm here like, let's see which one we should wear. I've been wearing blues lately, so I feel like we should definitely try to incorporate different colors. I feel like I definitely want to try on this set to see if I'm feeling the vibes for today. Maybe this olive green one, and I would say this black one. As you guys can tell, it's not that like user friendly because obviously it doesn't have a lot of coverage, but I feel like I am going more towards this white one. So let's go ahead and try it out. All right, babes, I will be right back. All right, babes, so this is the all white one. I feel like I am loving it. I Starbucks. You guys, oh my gosh. This one's really, really pretty. I got this piece from Shein, and to be honest, it does not look like it's from Shein. It looks really, really nice. It's super comfortable. Yesterday I did wear the same one. It was like a blue color. You guys, everyone was loving that color. So definitely, I feel like this one is really pretty. It's super classy. It's super, honestly, it's super, super nice. I don't even have words to explain it, but as you guys can tell, definitely cute. I feel like, yes, you will get the perfect tan out of this one. Oh, you guys. Okay, she is feeling herself right now. I really, really, really love this set. Oh, it's so pretty. I feel like it does have coverage a lot. So like, there's not so much padding. That's what I love as well. But you guys, this one's really, really pretty. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think about this one. I feel like it's so, so pretty, to be honest. Well, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and try out the next one, which I think is really pretty. And this one's gonna be the emerald green one. I am so indecisive because I feel like definitely this one is more like, it's nice. It has coverage, not too much from the back. Oh, you guys, I feel I like this one. This one's super cozy. Tell me what you guys think. All right, babes, let's go ahead and try out that second one. All right, babes, so this is the second set. It is looking really pretty. I honestly love it. I feel like this one, of course, doesn't have a lot of coverage, so definitely you will get tan all around, that beautiful tan. I love this color. I also love the pendants. This one is from Shein, you guys. Honestly, this doesn't even look like a Shein bikini either. Oh my gosh, you guys. I feel like this one is definitely giving. It's really, really pretty. It's different. And honestly, you guys, I am loving how it's looking like. This is gonna be hard because I definitely am such an indecisive person, especially when it comes to choosing like outfits. So I feel that for right now, I should be probably wearing the white one. I'm not sure. Comment down below letting me know which one is your favorite one. You guys, honestly, this is really, really hard. But I think we're gonna go with the white one because it does cover a lot more. And you guys, I'm also gonna bring you along with me to get some Starbucks. It's been a minute since your girl has had iced coffee. So I'm definitely gonna go and get some before the pool, and I will see you guys there. I am gonna be bringing you guys along, so stay tuned. I cannot wait. All right, babes, now let's go ahead and change to that white one and get ready to go ahead and get some Starbucks. Hi, babe. So we made it to Starbucks. I am currently in the drive-thru. I don't know what I'm gonna get today. I feel like I am craving an iced white chocolate mocha. I don't know if you guys have heard of that or tried that before. It is so, so good. The only thing is that it's a little bit sweet. So if you guys don't like sweet, I don't suggest that. But there's quite a few people in the drive-thru right now. It's crazy because I'm like, I guess everyone needs their daily dose of coffee. But yeah, you guys, I'm just here currently waiting, and I am so excited for the pool, you guys. I brought a new pool accessory that you guys, I cannot wait to try out. I'm gonna show you guys once we get to the pool. Your girl's definitely gonna have a hot girl summer right now, you guys. I feel like everyone deserves to have like a cool like little pool day, or just like a little outing or something that you like to do outdoors. It definitely helps with your mental peace. So yeah, babes, I'm just currently here waiting in the drive-thru. Yeah, it's really, really packed, so we're just currently waiting. Hopefully, yeah, the person in front of us is definitely ordering a lot of things at the moment, I can tell. But yeah, I cannot wait to go to the pool. I'm so, so, so excited. Hi, babe. So we just got our drink. I got the iced white chocolate mocha. Let's give it a try. Oh my god, it's really, really good. They actually left it really good. Sometimes it's a little too strong or a little too sweet, but they made it just how I like it. All right, babes, now let's get ready to go to the pool because we're running short on time. So let's go ahead and do this. All right, everyone, we are at the pool. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited. You guys, look at how pretty it looks. Look at my new floaty, you guys. It is so cute. I cannot wait to use it. It has like the drink holders and all that stuff. I love it. And look at the pool, y'all. It is completely empty. Oh, yes. All right, babe, so we are at the pool. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Definitely there's not a lot of sun out right now. It is early, but I am about to get in. You guys, oh my gosh. I'm trying to show you guys my bathing suit real quick. So, thank you guys for choosing the bathing suit. I am loving this one. It's super cozy. I am about to get in for a swim and enjoy the rest of the pool day. So, babes, I cannot wait. It's so pretty out. I feel like the water is going to be warm. Alright, babes. I wish I could take you guys inside with me, but unfortunately this camera is not waterproof. So I am going to enjoy my swim, enjoy my little Starbucks, and also I want to show you guys something. Look at how cute this bag is. It's a 2-in-1 Hello Kitty little bag slash blanket, and I got it for the pool today. And I also did get little Starbucks cups. Little Hello Kitty cups right here. So cute. And then I have my Starbucks inside. Alright, babes, I'm gonna enjoy pool day. Bye.